अच्छा, आजकल का जो डेटिंग ट्रेंड है ना, मोर ऑन द इकोनॉमिक ग्राउंड्स भी हो गया है.
Yeah.
ठीक है, यू टॉक्ड अबाउट फिजिकल रेलम, उसमें होना चाहिए वो आदमी, नहीं तो ऑनलाइन डेटिंग एप्स.
Yeah.
What do you think if a guy should date you, how much he should earn?
यार politically correct question है नहीं, because if I put a number to it, I'll be considered cocky, which I am not. Can I say a designation instead? So actually money doesn't matter.
तुम्हें पता है, you are very smart. क्योंकि डेजिग्नेशन के अकॉर्डिंग ही वो पैसा डिसाइड होता है.
Yeah, but then for example there will be difference ना. अगर एक 10 करोड़ की कंपनी का CEO और 1 करोड़ की कंपनी का CEO, डेजिग्नेशन तो सेम है.
इतना फर्क नहीं होगा.
Revenue generated is different.
इतना फर्क नहीं होगा.
यार मेरे लिए ना leadership authority matters. Anybody who is in the position of leadership authority is building something, wants to build something, is my kind of guy.
अगर कोई आदमी एक दल चला रहा है, जैसे RSS हो गया, बजरंग दल हो गया, they're like super leaders.
नहीं. When I say leaders, I'm talking about industrialists, businessmen. I am not talking about Karni Sena.
यार भाई, तुमने लीडरशिप स्किल्स की बात की थी. तुम्हें पता है तुम्हारे CEO में उतनी लीडरशिप नहीं होगी जितनी इस बंदे के अंदर कन्विंस करने की लीडरशिप होगी.
See, I do not want to manifest things like this girl, what's her name, Pariniti Chopra did. अगर मैं कुछ भी बोली ना, और
But Raghav Chadha is not a good leader. He's not a good leader. I mean, if he comes out 10 बंदों के अंदर, do you think he can convince?
देखो, I so want to say that I don't want to date anyone who is politician, but I don't want to take that risk. Yeah, so a leader. See, my type is businessman, intellectually.
तुम कभी थकते नहीं हो इस चीज से? किसी काम की बात, कभी किसी बंदे ने बात की यार ये सब छोड़, मेरे साथ चल बीच पे जाते हैं, एक बियर लेंगे, सनसेट देखते हैं.
ऐसा होता है. So I am like a combination of different personalities. For example, if you give me a guy who is only talking about stocks, who is only talking about his own venture, who is only talking about stuffs like that, I will not enjoy that time. But आपको एक majority consider करनी है. So for example, if we have nothing else to talk about, okay, and if we are by the beach, okay, and the moment calls for, you know, just being silent, आप जिसके साथ चुप रह सकते हो, and you can just enjoy nature together, I think that's most romantic thing, and I want that in a relationship. But at the same time, I don't want I wouldn't like people who get noisy, or for example, you know, like irritated when you talk about work, because it speaks volumes about that person. Why are you getting irritated when someone's talking about their work? Work हमारे life का 80% चीज़ है यार. It's 80%. My 95% of my life is consumed by work. So if you get irritated by it, I don't think you're the right guy for me.
Do you think it's right to say कि 95% of your life is consumed by work? ये अच्छी चीज़ है?
Okay. I live alone. I have 2 pets who can't talk. I don't do bullshit friendships. I'm very, very strict with the people I spend my time with. So it's not that I've created this world of mine, but अगर मेरे साथ मेरे parents होते, या फिर if I had a husband, if I had a family, it wouldn't be the same case. Just because I'm a bachelor right now, I like that 95% of my life revolves around work. And when I say work, it's not just doing something, it also includes a lot of time spent towards, you know, achieving a skill set.
Got it.
Taking a lot of information, meeting right kind of people who actually motivate you, inspire you, or build your connection. Yeah.
Okay, so I bring you to a very good section called Come Fast.
Oh,
So Come Fast means
okay.
Come Fast means जल्दी आओ.
Okay.
ठीक है. If you're thinking otherwise, I just wanted to clarify.
I'm not.
Come Fast means तुम जल्दी आओ, जल्दी जवाब दो.
Okay.
ठीक है. तुम क्या सोच रहे थे वैसे?
देखो मैं अच्छी लड़की हूँ.
अच्छा, so you want to rate these dating terms out of 10.
Okay.
ठीक है? 10 being like, oh, this is my side.
Oh, okay.
Or maybe this is something that
0
should exist.
is like this.
हाँ,
Okay.
ठीक है. Situationship.
50. Sorry, 5.
5.
5.
Ghostlighting.
What is that?
Ghostlighting is something that I have learned today. ठीक है. गोस्ट लाइटिंग का मतलब होता है कि एक इंसान जो तुम्हें गोस्ट कर दिया है फिर वो वापस आया तुम्हारी लाइफ में, ऐसे कि
माइनस
ठीक है. ब्रेड क्रम्बिंग,
0,
इमोशनल हुकअप,
8,
सॉफ्ट लॉन्च रिलेशनशिप,
9,
स्लो डेटिंग,
10.
रूस्टर डेटिंग.
What's that? Roster dating.
It's rooster.
Okay, what's that?
ROOSTER.
Okay.
Rooster, like rooster.
What's a rooster?
It's more like, correct me if I'm wrong. It's like कि हम एक टर्म्स के ऊपर डेटिंग करेंगे, एक्सपीरियंस लेने के लिए डेटिंग करेंगे. मैं अगर तुमसे कुछ, मैं सिर्फ तुमसे ना ज्ञान चाहता हूँ कि रिलेशनशिप होता क्या है. तो जैसे तुमने कहा था ना 4 लड़कियाँ हैं, तो स्पिरिचुअल वाली को मैंने डेट किया, मुझे स्पिरिचुअल एक्सपीरियंस चाहिए.
ओशो चलो जो भाई एक्सपीरियंस लेने के लिए डेट करते हैं.
So for experience dating, for experiential dating.
0.
AI flirting. Now ask me what is
10.
this.
That's ChatGPT.
हाँ, तो आदमी
He's like my personal therapist right now.
कि अगर नहीं, you're not chatting
all my guilty
with.
pleasures, all my okay.
The question is, so you send a message to me.
Okay.
Now I do not have a better reply to send it to you. Now to impress you, I asked ChatGPT and
Minus
copies.
100. Cannot do a guy who fucking doesn't know how to communicate. That too on a text.
Acha, tell me, what is a green flag to you?
Green flag. Romantic, caring, chivalrous, and ambitious.
And what is a red flag to you now?
Performative, too much into physical, like, his own physical things. For example, beauty, it can be fitness, too much, like, too obsessed with themselves. Selective respect given towards different sorts of sex, race, community, people. Yeah, selective. For example, a guy who's respectful towards his mother and sister may not be as respectful towards the girlfriend. So selective.
Okay.
Yeah. The person who is selective in terms of his kindness, the basic kindness, politeness, and everything. Yeah. And of course, the biggest red flag, someone who has got nothing going on in their life, but still wants to achieve everything in their life. Lazy, ambitious.
What do you think of married women dating kids, youngs? Similarly, on vice versa, married men dating girls?
See, I have 2 answers to this. A lot of times now, your marriage really becomes very... First of all, it's not right. Let me go ahead and say this, that it's not right. No matter how we try to justify it. But at the same time, circumstantially, yeah. So circumstantially ना क्या होता है, बहुत बार older generation में आपकी शादी पहले हो जाती है. For example, 21-year-old, you guys got married, you thought this is it. You couldn't understand what your life will throw at you, for example, especially the people who have risen to success. Okay, rose to success. जैसे starting में उतना नहीं था, but over the years, over the span of 20 years, now you are filthy rich. It exposes a lot of other things which you could not do because you didn't have enough access of money or, places, but you were younger that time. It was your time to go ahead, do that, but just because you were not exposed enough, you couldn't do that. And a part of you misses that. एक तो हो गया वो. दूसरी चीज़ ना, I have really seen people who have fallen out of love with their partners, but at the same time they have social responsibility and they have tremendous amount of love, respect and care as a person. So they don't want to leave them in, leave them hanging, but at the same time they really fell in love with a girl. Now, will you call that wrong? Is falling in true love wrong? I don't think so.
Okay.
But at the same time, if you're doing it just because you have lust, definitely wrong. If you have insecurity just because you're growing up and you want to see what's in there in the market, if you can still pull a girl.
So there was a show on internet जहाँ पे I've seen I think काजोल थी या रवीना टंडन थी.
Yeah.
They talked about cheating. Physical cheating is fine, emotional cheating is not fine.
Bullshit. Any form of cheating is cheating. There's a reason it's called cheating. अगर वो wrong नहीं होता तो उसमें cheating word नहीं आता. everything is wrong. I think हम ना जिस तरह से life जिस तरह से ईयर्स पास हो रहे हैं ना, जिस तरह से जनरेशन्स आगे बढ़ रहे हैं, हम बहुत सारी चीज़ों को ना एक्सेप्ट करने लग गए हैं.
डू यू थिंक उन्होंने, मेरे हिसाब से ना उन दोनों ने नहीं, उन टाइप के लोगों ने who accepts this is because they did not have a choice to question that, or they did not have the power to question that. Because अगर वो चीज़ को question करते ना कि ये चीज़ गलत है, तो उनके पास कुछ नहीं रहता.
Yeah.
And the fear of losing things made them accept uncomfortable की society तो ऐसे ही चलती है.
And you also have a spotlight effect, यार निखिल. For example, you think ना, एक random example देती हूँ, और मेरे साथ ये हो चुका है. So social media creates a lot of fuss, okay? For example, आज मैं किसी एक लड़की को follow कर रही हूँ who is killing, for example, she's a singer. She's killing it. उसके shows हो रहे हैं, concerts हो रहे हैं, वो हर जगह जा रही है. वो मैं social media पे देख रही हूँ. But अगर मैं 10 दिन तक social media हटा दूँ, मेरी सारी लाइफ वैसी चल रही है, बस मैंने फ़ोन हटा दिया है. मैं वैसे ही घर से ऑफिस जा रही हूँ. मे बी आई एम ऑल्सो ट्रैवलिंग अब्रॉड. एम आई सीइंग हर?
No.
विच मीन्स वॉट? आपका फ़ोन ना स्पॉटलाइट क्रिएट करता है. आपको लगता है ओ माई गॉड एवरी वन इज़ किलिंग इन देयर लाइफ. सेम होता है रिलेशनशिप में ना, स्पेशली व्हेन यू आर मैरिड. आपने एक सोसाइटी क्रिएट करी होती है एज अ मैरिड कपल टुगेदर, और आप वो ही देख रहे हो, सामने वाले की भी, आप अपना भी देख रहे हो, आप अपना भी प्रोजेक्ट कर रहे हो. You find it so terrifying to let people know that, oh, this was a disaster. You don't want to be a failure in life. Everyone is scared to accept that they were a failure in their life. They will much rather accept something which is not out there. So for example, if you failed in your exam, you are okay to not show your report card to the public, but still accept that you are a failure. But you just cannot. So I think most of the times people accept that it's okay ना, ठीक है, छोड़ तो नहीं रहा, उसके साथ कहीं और घर तो नहीं बसा लिया. Just because you are scared that people are going to judge you because it failed. Because I don't think anyone thinks that a marriage ending of a marriage is end of the world. I don't think so. And I know that women are capable of living their lives as they want, with or without a man.